YouTube. Today, I guess I'm gonna make a little tutorial. It'll be fast. We're gonna be carpet boarding. It's not raining, but it's definitely not the nicest weather. So I took an old board off the wall. Shit all over my floor. But we're gonna be carpet boarding. I'm gonna be trying to teach you how to, I guess, do some basics. Throw some stuff, everything out the way. Kind of want a good 2 foot by 2 foot little square to just practice in. But yeah, I guess the first thing we can run up with is practicing manuals. With that one, you're gonna want your normal board, not your carpet board, just your normal board, and you're just gonna get into good ready stance. Right? You see, I probably want to have probably an inch off my front bolt, and about my butt, probably right behind the back bolts. You're just gonna bend your knees, just practice your manuals. You know, I see I'm not that good at them, but just practice your manuals. I don't do manuals a lot, but I can get them done. They look good. You know, do this maybe 5 minutes a day. It'll definitely help. And mom's probably gonna kill you for this, but if nobody's home, you got carpet in your room, it's not gonna kill the carpet, but just practice your ollies. You know, get your good ready stance. Just down, up. That's what you're gonna do. Down, up. And you do that in full motion. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's definitely a lot harder to do on carpet than do outside. So if you have like a garage or maybe a back porch that's covered, or somewhere indoors that you can skate, definitely do it there, not on carpet. But I mean, if all you have is carpet, if you're like in an apartment or something, you know, you can just do this. I definitely need to practice more. It's been about 3 or 4 days since or not 3 or 4 days, about 3 or 4 weeks since I've skated because of my knee injury, but so we're getting back into it. There we go. But anyways, that's with this board. Now, with your carpet board, just a plain old deck, you can practice almost every trick in the book with. Mainly, I like to do shove-its with it. I don't think you can really pop much on these boards, on the carpet board. But yeah, this is just an old board of mine. I believe it's a 775. But yeah. But I guess teach you guys how to do shove-its real quick. You're gonna want to have your middle foot, middle of your, probably around from the middle to the front of your bolts is probably where you're gonna want to have your foot around. I typically go more middle so I get more flick and more control over it. But yeah, honestly, before this, you can just start. These are with backside shoves. Your front foot forward, back foot backwards, and just bam, right there. Now, then do that a couple times, and you transition to the board. And honestly, it'll go right into play. Bam. Bam. You can do that backwards front foot backwards, back foot forwards. I'm not good at front side shows, but you get the point. But yeah, and then honestly do bonuses too. You know, just that one's kind of hard, the finger flip, but you get the point. Sorry for the bad camera angle. I really have nowhere to film in this room. But yeah, I guess I'm just gonna do a little sesh real quick and try and hit a varial flip, AK flip, and we'll just see how that goes. I'm just getting this board, correctly. Alright, start off with kick flip first. Probably not gonna land this first try, but yeah, no, my flick is bad. Yeah, we'll try varial flips. No, alright. Well, as you see, not the best, but definitely the basics. I guess I'm just going to bring back the board and try and do a couple decent tricks. I'm going to love going back to review this footage and see how I can improve. But, yeah. I'll get one for you guys. Hold up. I kind of bend down like an eagle. Oh, foot placement's so bad with me. Yep. Alright, right here. Oh my lord. Quick little push up. You'll never really see my hair. It's my hair. I wear a hat 24/7, but that's what's up. Isn't it easier when you have a harder surface to pop on? But alright, I'm gonna try one more and then I'm gonna, let's try one more. Alright, well, y'all can see the form. It needs to improve, but that's gonna be it for this one. You don't have to, but like, subscribe, brings good things to my heart. But have a good day. See you on the next one. Peace.